Hi, my name is Cornelius Kipto. I work at Kenya Diabetes Management and Information Center as the Monitoring and Evaluation Specialist and supporting projects implemented across Kenya. One, and the main one being the WDF 21-18-30, which is trying to integrate hypertension and diabetes prevention and control within our PHC facilities across the country. For the conference, it's been so insightful for the past 3 days, and being the data advocate for hypertension and diabetes and NCDs at large, today's presentations were actually very informative, interacting with the Digital Health Agency in terms of making sure that we have accurate and reliable data for our NCDs, ensuring that we have that visibility of the burden for the country. For hypertension, diabetes, and all the NCDs at large. This is one of the major gaps as we try to actually ensure that we have digital tools to capture patient flow and all the patient information across all the service delivery points within our facilities. And to that, we give credit to all the participants, all the presentations we have gotten for the conference, been very insightful, and will really shape our work towards improving NCD care and management and ensuring that our patients have good outcomes for all the NCDs. Thank you so much.